Hello, my name is Martin Hall, and I'm the UK Business Development Manager for Business Applications with Ingram Micro as part of the Microsoft SureStep program. Today, I'm here to talk to you about Power Platform. Microsoft have a great way of explaining Power Platform. The Microsoft Power Platform is more than the sum of its parts. Connect them together and to Office 365, Dynamics 365, Azure, and hundreds of other apps, and build end-to-end business solutions. As cheesy as that sounds, it's true, but it doesn't quite tell you what Power Platform is. So Power Platform is actually made up of Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. Each of these can be used individually, or you can combine them and do so much more with them. In my opinion, actually, you're pretty much only limited by your imagination when it comes to Power Platform, and that's why it's expected to see massive growth and demand this year. It's no wonder when you consider that Gartner and Forrester reports are recognizing Microsoft as leaders in this area. For business intelligence platforms, leader. Into enterprise low-code application platforms, leader. Enterprise BI platforms, leader. Low-code development platforms for AD&D professionals, leader. There you have it. I could spend considerable time talking to you about each of the Power Platform products, and if you want me to, then reach out. But in a nutshell, I'll try and summarize them for you. So Power BI is a business intelligence platform that can pull your data together, giving you actionable insights through reports and dashboards. We're talking analytics that can scale from individuals to worldwide organizations, that gives you meaningful insights to your data and has built-in AI capabilities, integration to M365 and Dynamics, and even has pre-built connectors for your data. If you want to ensure your data is secure and complies with data governance, sure, it'll do that too. When you talk about Power Apps, everyone's probably thought about building an app before. Think you have to know how to code it? Well, actually, it's not quite the case with Power Apps. Power Apps is actually a low-code setting, which has been allowing lots of organizations already to modernize their approach to app development. Just think, actually, your whole team could start building apps. The subject matter experts, the guys that actually know what they're talking about, who previously wouldn't have been able to code because they don't know how. There are pre-built templates, and you can use them. But to build an app, it's got a lot of drag and drop functionality, and it actually makes it really quick to deploy as well. If you're one of those that can code, then actually it allows you to seamlessly extend app capabilities with Azure functions or custom connectors to proprietary solutions or on-premise as well. If you're talking Power Automate, it's a great tool actually for this, because I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm always fed up with repeating the same tasks over and over. And actually, if that's the case, Power Automate can step in. This is all about streamlining the repetitive tasks so that you can focus your attention on the more important matters. It's easy to create flows with Power Automate. Most of it's actually a click process. And if you can write down what you want to happen, you can actually use Power Automate. There are hundreds of pre-built connectors to automate tasks across the cloud as well. If you're fed up of emailing a long list of people when a report is ready to view, or posting the same message to Teams channel when it's available, write a flow that's triggered when the report is dropped into the Teams folder, a post to the channel is automatically generated, and an email notification sent. Job done. Then looking at Power Virtual Agents. I'd put it down as pretty much Power Platform likes to chat, and it does. And it likes to chat using a Power Virtual Agent. These allow you to create sophisticated AI-powered chatbots that can resolve common issues and answer questions around the clock. You don't need to know how to code again for these. You can create these chatbots just using a graphical interface. They can look at records and personalized conversations. They can point people in the direction of knowledge-based articles to resolve issues they've described even. Or it could be just capturing some key information before handing off to a live agent. It's entirely up to you how you build this. The key point is that you've got the ability to do it, and they can be as sophisticated as you need. And if you want to make them call different APIs or leverage custom workflows, then they can do that too. It is worth pointing out as well that these bots have natural language understanding, making them very smart virtual agents indeed. So there you have it. That is Power Platform in a nutshell. If you want to talk about integration too, then absolutely, it's a kind of perfect fit across the Microsoft Cloud stack. If you've got a real need for it, it's possible for you to integrate, and stay with me on this, a Power BI report into a Teams channel tab, have the Power BI report have an embedded Power App that calls a Power Automate function trigger in a Power Virtual Agent to talk to you in Teams, take your information and feed that back via another Power Automate flow into your Power BI data source and update your Power BI for you to view in Teams. Possible, yeah. Likely, no, but who knows? You can do it with Power Platform.